And you have to be patient. If you try to push on these people, they are gone. Now, what you can do is you have to be persistent, right? If you're not persistent with these people, you will not get the sale. Now, persistent is not sitting there and pushing and being pushy, right? That is not what it is. High S's may not make a decision right away. So this is, they need to sleep on it, talk to their spouse or colleagues to make that decision. And so this is why it takes on average 9 to 13 times of a follow-up to get a customer, right? 69% of the people. So when they literally say they got to talk to their spouse, instead of keep pushing, be like, awesome, can I give you a call tomorrow? Right? And so that way I can call them back and follow up, and I'm going to follow up and follow up and follow up. Now, they don't like to say no, right? We looked at S and they do not like to say no.